Welding is expensive to do, and it's expensive to train. So that's one area that if they can go in with a basic set of skills, you're leaps and bounds ahead of somebody else that might apply. And welding can lead in a lot of different areas, and welders don't just weld. Welders run press brakes, drills, machining equipment, and it's just part of the fabrication process. We're also looking at expanding into new areas, into robotics. We do have a plasma cutter, and we do have a fabrication area. We've had a lot of students go on to four-year colleges. We've had a lot of students go right into the workforce, into apprenticeships, and land some really nice jobs. I want to see them succeed, and it's great when we line that up and they just go. The whole building has a lot to offer. And I don't think it depends on whether or not you think your student is college bound. I think we should look at what direction are they heading. Even if it's engineering, the hand skills that are taught lead to other skills. And we can help with that and maybe light a new fire there. We're not trying to put anybody in a slot here. We're trying to give opportunity so they can see what's out there.